Okay, astronomy box assembly today. We're just going to assemble this today. It's going to be quick, straightforward, pretty simple. There's no glue going to hold the bottom in. The bottom will just be held in by everything else. The only glue is going to be in here and across there. So that's it. So I'll let you watch and we'll just knock this out. And there we go. It's all glued up. Edges will match. There's a bug in there. Bottom's in. Good all the way around. We're good. So now we just leave it dry, and then once it's dry, we take it apart. Or take off the clamps. Once it's dry, we'll take off the clamps. And then any little corners or bits that are sticking out will get cleaned off. I've deliberately left these tenons just a hair long. Same on the ends here. I've left them just like about an 1/8 or a 1/16 long, just so that they can trim up really nice. And then once it's all clamps are off and everything, we'll paint it. So the next one will be painting our box. See you then.